my God.
Oh.
Okay.
Move it from his feet.
Ang bigat mo.
Oh, you drink first.
Man.
Kaya kanina to. Baka dyan yun.
I'm gonna get you water. No. Ito na pa.
Nang mahimasmasan ay agad namang nakipag-bonding si Joaquin sa ibang mga housemates.
Sayote.
Galonggong.
Sayote.
Tinapay!
Maya-maya pa,
Nagluludis.
habang kailangang manahimik, muli namang ipinatawag ni Kuya si Joaquin sa confession room. Nang nasa pintuan na ng hallway, ibinigay na ang pangalawang hudyat.
Oh, sorry. Thank you guys.
Good evening po, Kuya.
Kamusta?
Hindi ko inakala na ganito pala siya kahirap po. Given po na yung challenge namin ay dapat wag mag-ingay. Lalong naging mas mahirap po yung task namin. Yung pinakaayaw ko po is ako yung magiging rason kung bakit hindi kami nag-okay sa weekly task na to. On my end, on my part, alam ko naman nagkamali ako. Kasalanan ko kung bakit nagkaparusa ako na ganito. They've taught me things which I couldn't have learned reading all the encyclopedias, and the time that I spent here po was napaka life-changing already. Yeah, I'm starting to really appreciate the journey more, not just the destination.
So, sa tansya mo, tatagal pa yan?
Yung alin po?
Yang nasa paa mo?
Sa tansya ko po, tatagal pa.
Bakit?
Ito po kasi, there's this theory of the multiverse po, wherein there are an infinite number of alternate parallel universes po. There's a universe where I'm Kuya and you're the one sitting here in the confession room. There's a universe where I'm wearing this, and in this particular universe I am. And there's so many, as of right now, there's so many possible parallel universes where I could go either way, and each decision could move me into either one. But for now po, I felt like when I said that, the moment I said na tatagal pa, like I shifted into this universe, the universe where tatagal din siya, kasi alam mo na kaya ko pa. That's how important decision making is. The slightest decisions could alter the entire course of the rest of your life po. It's like the butterfly effect.